Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 3rd. So let's look at the overall market first and let's see what we got, right? So let's pull over SPY. So SPY did well today, not bad, right? It kind of broke out on this little wedge breakout and took off. So not bad, some crazy volume and crazy upper wicks. So not bad for the day, and I think it's obviously making higher highs now. So it's crazy how we just broke out. I guess this is all related to the vaccine stuff. The market sees good news and good intentions with what's going on. So definitely keep this in mind. And let's go over my trades that I had, right? So first, before I show you that, right, let me show you my watch list that I had, right? So today I was watching EVK, LIZI, NSCO, ITRM, and a couple other ones, right? But what I want to emphasize first is this one stock that was obviously on my watch list, LIZI, right? So this stock, you can see, right, there's just a bunch of upper wicks on this chart, right? So it shows that the stock doesn't really hold up, or it's whippy, right? So if I pull up the minute chart, you see that there's just a lot of upper wicks, bottom wicks. It just kind of goes up, comes back down, goes up, comes back down. Look at this crazy drop from here, 489 all the way down to 410. It's almost 90 cents. So you got to ask yourself, is this worth it to watch this stock? I mean, can you handle this drop, right? So for me, I don't like to trade these type of stocks, right? I had one scalp on it only because it was a make it or break it. And this was over this area right here. And the only reason I took that scalp was, I believe it was around this, I'll check. But anyway, I got to check my logbook. I'll show you. But it was a make it or break. I got it and I just got out. So I pretty much have a few watch lists, right? One of my watch lists is actually a do not trade watch list, right? And these two stocks are on there, ANPC and LIZI. So 95% of the time, I'm not going to trade these stocks unless it's more of a make it or break it. Like, I'm not even going to think twice on it. That's it. So the only reason why I like LIZI, I'll show you the setup. And there was a seller as well. That's why it was a make it or break it type of play. And I think it was for the break of 440 here. So even then it got rejected, came back down. So anyways, let's go over. I only traded two stocks, SunW and LIZI, right? SunW, I got in at 456. 456, which is around, let's see here. I think it was for the break of this higher day right here. It was kind of doing like a double top here. And I got in and there was a seller and I sold some on the way up. And that was it. Not bad. It was like 8 cent move, right? And it seems like this wants to come back up. So it may break, or it may test 450s or something, but it's low volume, so you got to be careful. The other one was LIZI, the one that I was just talking about, right? And you can see I got in 425, got out at 428. Literally, I got in and got out within a second. So, and you can see that I got in literally at 11th second and I got out on the 12th second. So, and I'll show you, that was for the break of 425. So if I pull that up, it was around, let's see here, nope. Let's see what time that was. So that was around 7:10 my time. So that means around this area right here. Yeah, so I got in for the break of this spot right here. So 425, and I sold some on the way up. And that was it. After I didn't touch it. There was a seller there. It was a cool setup, not bad. It was like, I would say like a B plus A setup, but the seller that was there, that made it more positive for me. So that's why. After I didn't touch it, because I know this stock doesn't handle VWAP very well. And you can see that, right? Goes up, crosses VWAP, comes back down, goes up, comes back down, goes up, comes back down. The white line is the VWAP area. Again, goes up, comes back down. 4 or 5 times it got rejected here, and then eventually it broke out. So you got to ask yourself, how many tries is it going to take you to get it right? Like, I don't know, like 5, 6 times. By then you might hit your daily loss. So you got to be careful with that. So that's why this stock is on my do not trade list. So overall today I'm up 149, which is not bad considering I only took two round trip trades. And yeah, that was it for me. I stuck to my plan. I made sure I followed my plan and I didn't deviate from it. So, which is the key thing. If you don't follow it, you're gonna have a loss. And then emotions kick in, other things kick in, and then it's just a spiral loss that can happen. So, I mean, even let's check out Solo, right? Solo had a crazy, run up. I was watching this as well, and the other one I was watching was NSCO, right? Look at this NSCO, right? Like even this drop from all the way from 732 to 711, 710, 20, 30 cents drop, 705 all the way to 668. So for me, it's not worth it. So that's why I'm always extra cautious with these type of stocks. Today was kind of like slow, I think, besides EVK went crazy. But even with this, I feel like, I didn't really see a setup for myself. And it kind of took off from there. Maybe at like 542 spot or something, or even, 542 would have been better. So even 550, I mean, it goes to 555, it came back down all the way to 533. From there, it just took off. So I didn't see a setup, I didn't trade it, and this went all the way up. I'm not going to chase it. What if it goes up and it comes right back down, right? So yeah, I just like sticking to my plan, and that's pretty much it. Other than that, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys tomorrow.